Hello, this is the series on ringtones, part 3. This is the Avaya 9620, and these are the only ringtones available. Let's start. Okay. These ringtones will suck the life out of you. Alright, let's see if there's any other. Oh God. If that rang, if that was an actual ringtone from somebody, I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably just freak out. That one's not too bad. Okay. That one seems like the old VTech cordless phone ringtone. Pac-Man. Pac-Man sped up. Whatever the heck that is. Alright, no, that's just going crazy. Right, let's see, other. So just classic and alternate. Wow. Okay, well, this series of Avaya may have not been their best work. Maybe it was like developed on a Wednesday or something. Or on a Monday or on a Friday. Whatever people make jokes about. Anyway, the ringtones on this series of phone pretty much suck.